Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering and plugging in the Chromecast so setup can proceed immediately. Plug the dongle into an available HDMI input and attach the USB power cable. Use the wall adapter for reliable power if the TV's USB port is weak. Once the device shows a welcome screen, switch your TV to that HDMI input. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network you intend to use. You'll need the network name and password ready for the setup app. Open the Google Home app on your phone and tap the Add Device button to find the Chromecast. The app scans and shows the device code on screen so you can verify it matches the TV. Once matched, the app connects to the Chromecast's temporary setup network to send your home Wi-Fi credentials. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password, then assign a room name so casting apps can detect the device quickly. Make sure phone, Bluetooth, and location are enabled if the app requests them. To cast, open a supported app like YouTube, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast. The content should appear on the TV within a few seconds. If nothing happens, confirm the TV is on the correct HDMI input and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. If problems persist, reboot the router and unplug the Chromecast for 10 seconds, then reconnect. Use the Google Home app to check firmware and network status. Updating firmware often fixes persistent connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.